Welcome to Brilliant Infosystems, delivering intelligent autonomous mobile robot solutions that bring flexible, safe, and scalable robotic movement to modern warehouses and manufacturing operations. Warehouses today are under pressure to move faster with limited manpower. Long walking distances, manual transport, forklift dependency, and changing order priorities reduce productivity and make operations difficult to scale. Brilliant designs and implements complete AMR solutions from warehouse study, process mapping, robot selection, fleet sizing, and traffic planning to WMS integration, deployment, training, and long-term support. AMRs do not need fixed tracks, magnetic tape, floor markings, or predefined conveyor paths. They use LiDAR, cameras, sensors, and intelligent navigation software to understand the warehouse, identify obstacles, and choose the best route in real time. The fleet management system assigns tasks to the nearest available robot, controls traffic, manages priority missions, monitors battery levels, and coordinates multiple robots safely across the facility. AMRs can support goods-to-person picking, zone picking, replenishment, tote movement, order consolidation, dispatch transfer, WIP movement, and line-side material supply, without major changes to the existing warehouse layout. With brilliant AMR solutions, businesses reduce walking time, improve picking productivity, increase fulfillment speed, reduce forklift dependency, and scale automation step by step with faster return on investment. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.